Good morning. Till now we have completed many problems on material costing. So in that material costing, stores ledger we have done. We completed the methods of FIFO, LIFO, simple average, weighted average. All these four methods we have completed. Correct? First one is FIFO, LIFO, simple average and weighted average. Now here what I am gonna explain you is, already we have done, no ma'am? Then why you are teaching once again? That is a question for you, right? What we are doing here is, let me explain once again briefly what are these. Okay? Now first, FIFO. First, I said. FIFO means first in, first out. In the sense, whatever units are coming first into the go down or whatever. Okay? First in, first out. These are going out first. Which are coming first inside, that will go out first. If you take the example, on first you received, third you received, seventh you received, 14th you received, 15th you have received. Now if I am issuing, first I am gonna take out on first what I have received. Okay? Now this is over. Next I am gonna issue something. Then my first preference goes to the 3. After that I will go to the 7. If 1 is totally I have to complete, then I will move on to the 3. 3 also fully completed, then I will move on to the 7. Got it? This is first in, first out. And the next, LIFO, last in, first out. Last in, first out. Now again the same dates only I am giving. First, 3rd, 7th, 14th and 15th I have received the goods. Now when I am issuing, I have to start from 15th. I have to start from 15th. On 15th what I have received, that I will send first, and after completing the total goods what I received on 15th, then I will come to the 14th. Clear? I will complete 15th first. After completion of 15th, all the units were over, I have issued, then I will come to 14th. Understood? This is LIFO. Whichever comes last, that will be issued first. Next, simple average method. Simple average method. As it means average, I have to take average. So, first, 3rd, 7th, 14th, 15th, these are the dates I have taken. Okay? First I paid 2 rupees, on 2nd I paid 3 rupees, on 7th I have paid 2.5, on 14th I have paid 3 rupees, again here I have paid 3.5. These are the prices I have paid. In between, on 5th I have issued. In between, on 5th I have issued. Now what is the price I am going to take? 2 plus 3. So 2 prices I have taken divided by 2. Okay? Now if after 7th, that means on 9th if I issued. If I have issued on 9th. If anything is left over from the first, any units were left over from the first, that also I will take. If it is not left over, totally I have cleared 100 units I have received, ma. I issued 50 units here, in the sense 50 balance will be there. Okay? If 50 balance is there, on 9th when I am issuing, 2 plus 3 plus 2.5 divided by 3 I will take. Okay? 2 plus 3 plus 2.5 divided by 3 I will take. No. This 100 fully issued. None of the units were left. 100 fully issued, none of the units were left. That time what I will do? So no need to take this 2. This 2 is not there. 3 plus 2.5 divided by 2 I will take. Okay? On 15th I have issued. So 7, 14 and 15th were pending with me. Okay? All other things were already we have cleared. So 2.5 plus 3 plus 3.5 divided by 3. Whatever answer comes, that answer I am gonna show over there. Okay? Understood this one? Now we'll move on to the weighted average method. This is the easiest method out of these four. Okay, FIFO, LIFO, simple average and weighted average. This weighted average is the easiest method. What we are going to do in this? How many? Let the date whatever, 1st, 5th, 10th, 20th, 25th. These are the dates I have mentioned here. Okay, I received 100 units. I paid 2000 rupees here. I received 300 units. I paid 4000 rupees. I received 250 units. This is 50. Okay, and I have paid 3000. I received 400 units. I paid 7000. I received 100 units. I paid 1000 rupees. These are the things what I have received. Now I am gonna issue on 7th. Now I am gonna issue on 7th. What you are going to do? Total amount divided by number of units. That means 4 plus 4000 plus 2000. 6000 divided by number of units, 300 plus 100. 400. Whatever is the answer, on that amount you are gonna issue. Okay? No, I am issuing directly here. I am issuing directly here. First check it out. Any units were left here, we will be taking. If it is not anywhere in the balance column, you will be showing what are the number of units left with you, what is the total amount. So just take only one thing, what are the number of units you are having with you here. I am having all the 3. So 3 plus 4, 7 plus 2, 9000. 250 plus 300 plus 100. How much? 650. Whatever is the answer, that will be issued price. For that amount, we are gonna issue it. Is that clear? Yeah. Understood these 4 methods? FIFO, whichever is the first one came inside, that will go out first. LIFO, whichever last one came inside, that will go out first. Simple average. Prices you have to take the average of them. If you have taken 3 prices, divided by 3. Addition of those 3 prices and divided by 3. If you have taken 4 prices, addition of 4 prices and divided by 3. Like that you have to decide the issued price. And then come to the weighted average. Total amount divided by number of units. Total amount. That means what is the total amount, total cost of the products divided by number of units, how many you have taken, that we will be showing here. Hope all of you understood. So, to make everything easy to check whenever you want, I have created playlists. Chapter wise playlists I have prepared. You can have a look on them. If problems you feel these are very less problems, you want me to solve more problems, please mention in the comment box. Okay, I will check it out and sure I will increase the problems. If you require 5-6 problems to be solved, yeah, sure we will be solving. Okay, if any new subjects you want to learn from accounts, you can please inform me, income tax or any other subjects. Just let me know. Let me know in the chat box or comments. Sure we will be doing. If you like these videos, please like, share and comment. Thank you very much. Bye bye.